Okay, so this is lesson 2 for creating your blog. This one we're going to create your kind of about me page. You should have already created your blog with lesson 1 and picked a picture and after you set up the theme. And so this is going to kind of be your almost first assignment for the page. So I'm going to go up here and go to my dashboard, which maybe you're already on it if you just went straight from video 1 to video 2. And you are going to create a page. This is not going to be a post. Your page is something that is permanent and will stay on your blog continuously. I guess it's like your profile, kind of. You can go in and change it at any point in time, but this is not a post. This is a page. So obviously, to go create a page, we might go over here and go to pages. We're going to go to, you can do all pages and just see what they give us in it, because I think they give you, yeah, they give you a sample page. I don't really like the way that sample page is set up, so I'm going to trash it. Delete. And then I'm going to do add a new. So we're just going to set up our own. So go ahead and delete the sample page that they give you, and we're going to start new. So this is going to be about, you can put about your name. I'm going to put about J. Schmidt. You can put about me, because obviously if I've come to your blog, I know that your about page is probably about you. You can put all about so-and-so, all about, your name. So you can give it whatever title you would like here. Then I'm going to go over and go to, well, really, you can just type whatever. Right here, it's very easy to type into. You can easily change your font. You can actually, if you go here, if you want some type of big heading, you can choose any of these headings. Paragraph is just this right here. If you would like to do a video about yourself instead of a writing out a paragraph, we are fine with that. You will have to go back to the Padlet page and learn how to make a video using Screencast-O-Matic, or if you wanted to use your iMovie or however you make videos, and then you would just add it as a link right here. You would insert link. You could copy and paste that video link here. If you want to, you can click link options, and there's where you would put the link to your video about you, and here's would be the text. So if you put learn about me here, that entire text would be that link, and you could do that. You could hit add link. But what you're going to do is type in a few sentences about yourself and let it kind of, we obviously already know you. This is just if you share your blog with maybe someone who perhaps doesn't know about you. We are not going to be sharing your blog with anyone, but you could go ahead and type a few paragraphs or sentences about yourself. It doesn't have to be a lot. So I'm just going to put, I'm going to give you a sample sentence. I have been teaching for, oh my goodness, how long? 7 years. And I'll go back in and fix this once I'm not on video and make it a little bit, obviously, more detailed. But to show you kind of, here's how it will look. So then you're going to type a little bit about yourself, and then you can add another image. So all of the posts and pages are going to have this set feature image. And I'm going to go to upload file because I don't need that picture. I can find a picture of something back on Pixabay if I want to do that, or I can select a file. All right, we'll use this one. And I'm going to select an image, and here is an image. Oh, look at that. Set featured image. And then, so I've got my title. I've commented a couple sentences about myself. I'll go back and add to that. I don't want to allow comments, so I'm not going to click on that. I don't really need pingbacks, so I'm not going to click on that. And then all of that looks good. I've got my image. So if I want to just see what it looks like before I click save, I can hit preview. Oh, look at that. There we go. All right, looks okay to me. So I'm going to exit out of that and I'm going to publish. All right, we're good. If I was typing a few more sentences and I wanted to maybe come back to it, I would hit save draft, but considering I'm not doing that in this time, I'm just going to hit publish. And then you have your About Me page. All right, so that will be kind of your first thing that you want to do. That's what you learned in this lesson. So I'm going to go ahead and in this lesson, I'm going to go back to my website and let you go ahead and finish your About Me section on your page. And that's where this is going to show up. It's going to show up right in the middle of your blog. You can see I have About Jay Schmidt. All right, so then if anyone visits your site, any of your teachers, they can click right there and say, oh, here's this awesome picture of so-and-so, and hopefully a little bit more detailed of a obvious more about you than I gave. But all right, so I'm going to go ahead and stop this video. This was lesson 2, and let you finish your About Me page.